Hi guys, very good evening. Please keep handy a paper and a pen with yourself because we will be talking about a few trading strategies. And whenever we talk about a trading strategy, then the trading strategies are supposed to be, rule based. So all the rules have to be written somewhere so that you are not making any mistake in the real market. Okay. So guys, whenever we talk about trading, so there are a few products. For example, what are the intraday trading hours for equity market? For how long the equity market opens during a day? So the equity market opens for approximately 6 hours during a day, right? Let's say approximately 6 and a half, or simply 6.15 hours. Okay. What are the opening hours? What are the trading hours for Forex market? So it is open from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. So it is open for 8 hours. What are the trading hours for commodity market? So just to let you know, commodity market trades for 9 a.m. till 11:30 p.m. 9 a.m. till 11:30 p.m. commodity market is open. It means approximately 14 and a half hours, and sometime during the year, during winters, it opens until 11:55 p.m. rather. So the commodity market is open for 14 and a half or 15 hours. Now, I have a very simple question from you. Equity market opens for 6.5 hours approximately. Forex market opens for 8 hours. Commodity market opens for 15 hours. Tell me one thing. Will the trading strategy which can be applicable for commodity market, will the same strategy be applied in the equity market? For commodity market, the intraday means 15 hours. While for equity market, approximately 2.5 days of equity market. Approximately 2.5 days of equity market is equal to 1 day of commodity market. Right? Which means that the intraday trading strategy that we will be making in the equity market may or may not work in the commodity market, and vice versa. And also, at some point in time, to watch certain videos wherein they talk about a trading strategy and are most likely showing you or maybe showing you an example of how to trade in the gold market, and you like the strategy, the same strategy that may be workable for gold and silver and copper and nickel may not be workable in USD INR, and the strategy which is workable in USD INR may or may not be workable on equity market. Rather, let us dig deeper here. The strategy in equity also, there are different type of products. Let us talk about various type of products now. Now, for example, and I want everyone's attention here because this is a very, very important topic for you. Now, for example, one mid-cap stock or a large-cap stock. A mid-cap stock or a large-cap stock, it can go up to, let's say the stock is trading at 100 rupees, it can go up to 120, 130, 140, 150 very quickly. Yes or no? A mid-cap or a small-cap stock can go up or down by 30, 40, 50% very quickly. Yes or no? While can you expect the USD INR prices? Can you expect the USD INR prices to go up by 50% that quickly? At the same time, crude oil prices from $80 cannot go unless until there is some strong global political tension or something like that. Crude oil prices also, for that matter, gold prices also, for that matter, any other currency also may not go up by 30, 40, 50% very quickly. So what I am trying to tell you here is, guys, there are two products. These products like mid cap and small cap share, which go in one direction very sharply, whether it is upside direction or it is downside direction. So there are certain products that can go up or down very quickly, very sharply. While there are other products, for example, crude oil, when they will go up, they are becoming expensive for some people. There will be lack of demand. And the prices, because of lack of demand or increase in supply, might come down. When the prices have come down, some people might be finding it cheaper and they may start accumulating crude oil, and the prices might go up again. And then again down, again up, again down, again up. What I'm trying to tell you here is that there are two types of products. One that we were discussing earlier are called trending products. The products that have a capability of moving in one single direction. A product that has a capability that generally has capacity of moving in one single direction for a very long time, very sharply, or it can be a sustained rise for a long period. These products are called trending products. While these products that get tired very easily after a sharp move, these are called trading products. And let me tell you one thing, that the strategy applicable for trading products may or may not work in the same fashion as you will be applying them on the trending products. Sounds logical to everyone? Yes or no?